can you give us a bit of a perspective about when and how you went about setting carbon targets for Crossrail, and just give us a bit of background to the project itself?
Yeah, I think it's worth starting off by saying, or sort of reiterating a point really that was made earlier on this morning about the importance of this being driven by the client. And to be honest, in my role, as sustainability manager and being with one of the delivery partners, Bechtel, I think we've been very much able to push out an open door, because the commitment has been there from the very top that carbon was a key thing on the agenda, and we needed to do something about it. So, well, how did we go about doing it? We made sure, first of all, it was in our strategy, and the strategy at the time was written in about 2008, 2009, and reflected some of the kind of key themes of our two main project sponsors, Department for Transport and Transport for London. So we captured carbon and energy there in the strategy, and then sort of getting more and more granular. We set a goal around carbon reduction, and then once we did that, we said, well, okay, we need to look at what's the realistic target. But when we started looking at targets, and bearing in mind this was about 2009, and we also had a philosophy really at that time of tried and tested. Was the mantra. So perhaps we weren't as quite in the same space as Anglian Water were, and that sort of opportunity to maybe be a bit